Good afternoon, everyone. The chairman of the valedictory function, Dr. Vasanta Hedvi Reddy, Director, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, Chief Guest, Professor A.D. Sawant, ex-Vice Chancellor, University of Rajasthan, IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Satish Malode, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, Professor Dr. Siddiqui, MSM College of Physical Education, Aurangabad, Dr. Mrs. Siddiqui, Coordinator of the conference, and organizing committee members and friends. Myself, Professor Sri Krishna Yavle, Organizing Secretary of the E-Conference. I am truly delighted to extend my warm welcome to the valedictory function of International Conference on Strategies and Challenges in Higher Education during COVID-19 pandemic lockdown in India with reference to world. It is a great pleasure to know that this is the first time we have organized this International E-Conference online in Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. I personally believe that this 3 days event all of you have enjoyed. I am thankful to all of you for your patient hearing. Friends, ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going, because straight line even in ECG means we are not alive. The COVID-19 pandemic has definitely taught us the lesson to work online. Also, it teaches us each and every aspect of life has its importance. Creating such type of platform gives opportunity to all academicians, scientists, teachers, students and stakeholders to come together online and discuss the broad spectrum of lockdown. We are very fortunate to have some of the eminent personalities from academic, tourism, sports, teaching, research, who have nicely expressed their views on various topics mentioned in conference. Definitely, we are benefited by attending this e-conference. It is the biggest day in the history of our institute that we have hosted the biggest educational e-conference in India with more than 10,000 registrations, and countries like France, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Bangladesh, Canada and many more have participated in the conference. This is a huge success in itself. I would express my gratitude to all invited eminent guests. Especially I must thank Honorable Professor Elizabeth Boulding, a keynote speaker, for delivering a faithful keynote address and sparing her valuable time in spite her busy schedule. I must mention that Honorable Professor Dr. Muralidhar Chandekar, Vice Chancellor, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and Honorable Dr. Dhanraj Mane, Director, Higher Education, Maharashtra State, for accepting our invitation as chief guests and allowing us to organize this e-conference are gratefully acknowledged. I must mention my deepest sense of appreciation to all the eminent resource personalities. Dr. Mirza Mumtaz Beg, research scholar from Canada, Dr. Irshad Ahmed, bacteriologist from Oman, Principal Dr. Deepak Dhote from Amravati, Professor Dr. Ragde from Aurangabad, Principal Dr. Magdum Farooqi from Aurangabad, Sri Deepak Kumar Dubey from Aurangabad, and other eminent scholars who have delighted us by delivering inspiring and informative speech. I extend my thanks to all my colleagues, organizing committee members for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this gala event. Such event cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of good motivators, supporters and dedicators. I must give my special thanks to Dr. Mrs. Siddiqui, Assistant Professor, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, and Professor Dr. Mohammad Rafiq Aizaz Siddiqui, Associate Professor, MSM College of Physical Education, Aurangabad, and Mr. Rizvi, Technical Expert, for their untiring efforts to perform all online activities and managing the online show. I cannot thank everyone, but those who have directly or indirectly got involved and supported us for organizing this international event, I gratefully acknowledge them. On behalf of the Institute, I express my heartfelt thanks to chief guests because this conference is incomplete without your presence and inspiring words. I thank all eminent speakers from the bottom of my heart. With this, once again I express my sincere thanks to all participants for your patient hearing. I am also thankful to all organizing committee members and director Professor Vasanta Hedvi Reddy for giving me this opportunity to organize such gigantic e-conference. We thank you for being with us this noon. We really very much owe to Almighty, and I continuously pray to the Omnipresent and Omniscient to provide us such opportunities in plenty. Changes are challenges. We have to face them and go ahead. So let's face this challenge together by staying at our homes. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.